It's part of life to have our little chores. Some will like and some will not like for do it. Some people don't like to wash the dishes, and some people don't like to brush them teeth. Some kids run away from bathing, and some kids not like to tie them shoe. Some kids not like to tidy up them room. What don't you like to do? Maya was a clever little girl. People always said that she seemed quite sweet. But Maya would try every trick in the book to get away without brushing her teeth. She loved using her imagination to look for treasures she never thought she'd find. But brushing her teeth would accidentally on purpose slip out of little Maya's mind. It was a sunny midday on Monday, and Maya was digging in the garden. Mud pie was on the menu, and in the sun, it a hard. Her ma was in the kitchen, seasoning up some meat. When she saw Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she'd brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma turned toward her and said, Yes, Ma, I did it when you went to the shop to buy some hardo bread. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, was Maya's reply. But Ma was too busy. She left Maya to it. The thing was Maya. She smiled mixing mud water, 'cause Ma believed in her sneaky little trick. Maya didn't care to brush her teeth. She wasn't bothered not one little bit. On Tuesday, it was wet and rainy, so Maya decided to stay in. She pulled out her paper, spread it on the floor, and began a pretty painting. Her ma was in the bathroom, cleaning the sink in her ensuite. When she heard Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she'd brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma turned toward her and said, Yes, Ma, I did it when you were downstairs after I made my bed. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, was Maya's reply. But Ma was too busy. She left Maya to it. The thing was Maya alive. Ha! Maya smiled as she painted, 'cause Ma believed in her sneaky little trick. Maya didn't care that her mouth was musty. She wasn't bothered not one little bit. On Wednesday, the weather was warm. Maya had watermelon in the play pool. Luckily for Maya, it was summer, so she didn't even have to think about school. Her ma was in the living room, dusting the windows, the floor she had swept. When she looked at Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she'd brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma stopped her task to ask. Yes, Yes, Ma, I did it when you were asleep so that I could eat my breakfast. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, was Maya's reply. But Ma was too busy. She left Maya to it. The thing was Maya a lie. Ha! She smiled with watermelon. 'Cause Ma believed in her sneaky little trick. Maya didn't care that her teeth felt cloudy. She wasn't bothered, not one little bit. Thursday came and Maya was excited. It was the day that she would always bake. She got some frosting and sprinkles to put on top of her cupcake. Ma was in the front room, pressing pillowcases and the bed sheet. When she looked at Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma stopped and called out to her. Yes, Ma, I did before you got up when I came out of the shower. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, was Maya's reply. But Ma was too busy. She left Maya to it. The thing was Maya a lie. Ha! Maya smiled, licking frosting, 'cause Ma believed in her sneaky little trick. Maya didn't care that her teeth were sticky. She wasn't bothered, not one little bit. Friday was Maya's favorite day of the week. It was pizza and movie night. She rolled out the dough, grated the cheese, marinade chia, pour in the light. Ma was by the front door, making sure the shoes them looked neat. When she heard Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she'd brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma hollered into the kitchen. Yes, Ma, I did it when you went outside earlier to put out the bin. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, was Maya's reply. But Ma was too busy. She left Maya to it. The thing was Maya a lie. Ha! Maya smiled, spreading sauce, 'cause Ma believed in her sneaky little trick. Maya didn't care that her mouth was rusty. She wasn't bothered, not one little bit. On Saturday, Maya ate sausage bun while she stayed in her pajamas. She wanted to see how high she could build her giant house of cards. Ma was in the hallway, wiping the skirting boards down with bleach. When she heard Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma called into the front room. Yes, Ma, when you went in the attic to clean the cobwebs with the broom. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, was Maya's reply. But Ma was too busy. She left Maya to it. The thing was Maya a lie. Ha! Maya smiled, stacking cards, 'cause Ma believed in her sneaky little trick. Maya didn't care that her teeth were all lumpy. She wasn't said not one little bit. On Sunday, Maya rushed outside because she heard her friends them calling. She hopped to the playground, jumped in the middle to be the brown girl in the ring. When she stepped in, her friends stepped back. They were snickering and laughing. Why them a look and hold them nose? Maya was wondering. Ma was in her bedroom. The day of rest in our bed she eat. When she heard Maya, her spirit just told her to ask if she brushed her teeth. You brush your teeth from morning? Ma called out the window. Yes, Ma, I did it when I woke up when you were talking on the phone. You sure? Ma was suspicious. Yes, Ma, she started to chime. But when Ma breathed a look on the kids' them faces, Ma knew she had to make time. Come here, I want to check you. Ma called into the playground. Okay, Ma, I'll be just a minute. Maya's heart just started pounding. When Maya finally came inside, her Ma asked to smell her breath. No, sir, Ma bawled as Maya opened her mouth. Her teeth were yellow. Her mouth smelled like death. Maya, you brush your teeth from morning? Ma asked Maya again. She didn't speak. She was scared she'd get caught, so she simply nodded her head. Let me see, Maya's Ma asked. She got her nail to scrape Maya's teeth. As her finger ran across her gum, a pile of sludge sat underneath. Under her nail, Ma was shocked to see Monday's mud, Tuesday's paint, and then more. Wednesday's rotten watermelon, Thursday's frosting, frowsier than before. On her tongue, her Ma could smell Friday's pizza and rancid chunky cheese. Saturday's sour sausage bun mixed with mutton and elbow grease. What a ting! Maya had lied. You'd even brush your teeth the whole week? Maya looked guilty as she looked at her Ma. In fact, she didn't even want to speak. Maya mouth stinks, you can't see the plaque. Your teeth have lumps and your tongue has gone black. Go in the bathroom and brush your teeth till they shine before you go out back. Now Maya knew why them a looked upon her. She didn't want smelly breath round her friend. From that day, she always brushed her teeth and never lied about brushing them again.